Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. So today, I'm breaking rule number 2. I got handguards for the wife. So handguards are basically good for, she follows along, she's behind me, she doesn't get a rock on her knuckles or anything. And the shop is kind of finished. Still got little tweaks to do, but that's okay. So today we're doing the handguards. At first I was looking at it, I was like, I'm missing parts, but no, I'm not missing parts. It's just the way they're made, right? So let's get into it. So Phillips screwdriver. And these are tight in there. Don't worry, you won't need these after this. So we unscrew it. Pop the screw out, keep them. It's always good to have spare parts. Now, these are hard to pop out, so I'm using a pair of pliers, hook, and pull. And there we go. And then one screw. Let's just get set up here a bit. And these are Allen keys. So you got one without threads and one with threads. So we'll just thread this in a little bit. Now if you want, you can use Loctite for this, so that way you'll never get them loose. And then basically we're just going to slide them in. But before we even do that, we will have to take this part off, which is an 8mm bolt. 2 of them. Two 8mm bolts, and it's tightening. Now don't lose any of this because you will need it. Don't lose these, you'll need them. Because this goes onto the other side too. And I get the so this goes like this, but I need to. So we clean the inside. It's still not going in as a snug fit. So rubber mallet. Don't break this stuff, guys. Like, is it lined up?
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
So this is lined up.
Put a bolt.
So now we go through our package, and because these are extra long. So we have one bolt. So when placing, make sure your wires go here. So that way you don't have them hanging underneath with pressure. With these screws, we don't need to add Loctite. Now, what I like to do personally is go a little bit on top, a little bit on bottom. Then you want to test out your brake. So I need to lift it a little more. Then you adjust, and because remember, you're not always going to get this first shot. I'm going to take this off. So I feel like my brake is at the perfect spot. then I'll tighten down. All right, so this is perfectly placed for me. Now we can tighten our end screw as tight as you want. And there you go. That's one side down. So on the other side, we do the same thing, right? Except on this side, we don't have any Loctite on our bolts, right? Remember, I told you to keep these? And this is gonna finish up like this. So you have to take apart from one side to bring it to the next. And it does remind you up. So I'm gonna have to try. Little dab. Screw. Little dab. And screw. Screwdriver. Now this side, everything came out a lot easier, so it looks better than the other side. Bottom a little bit. Top a little bit. Let's put the steering wheel straight. This one needs to come down just a little bit. And it looks about right there. But we'll know better when we put our plastics on. So I'll be right back and I'll try and make sure I'm at the right height. So now for your top plastics, you'll need a T30. And this is pretty basic, right? So it comes with your kit. You got your 4 bolts. Screw, 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 screw. So as soon as one side's it, just to say you put it in, go to the bottom. And I should have screwed these on before bringing it up here, because then I wouldn't have the key in my way. Screw. Then we can tighten these down. There we go, that's one side done. And then you add your little cap. So this is simple. Slide and you connect it. Push and it's complete. So when you're done, both sides should look similar. And my hands are well covered. Nothing in the way. And I'm going to complete this side, because I don't really want to bore you guys with both sides, but you know, you need this part for here and the 2 screws. So if this helped you guys, remember, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Stick around. I already broke rule number 2. Let's see if another rule comes up. Peace, guys.